All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the day. So after a grueling 4 hours of install, and that's of course with me taking video and all of that, I believe I could have done the install for the spark plugs and the CVT belt probably within about 2.5 hours. But with some of the extra things that I was doing, it took about 4 hours. I started roughly around 4:30, and I didn't finish till about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So it took me a while to get it all done. But again, such is life. Anyways, guys, today I'm getting ready to start up the bike. I'm gonna take it for a little drive and see what it feels like with this new CVT belt and with the spark plugs. So you guys stay tuned, enjoy the ride. We about to hit the gym, and yeah, I'll be back. All right, you guys, so we are back at the Ryker Chop Shop, and I have to say I had an amazing ride. So right off the bat, people want to know what, the belt difference. Did I feel anything different from installing the new belt versus the old belt? Did I feel any significant change? And I did. Let me tell you, I know for a fact now what it feels like when your belt is worn out. When I would go to like a stop sign or a stoplight, and I would try to maybe, let's just call it a California roll. You just kind of roll into the stop and then you kind of gas it to go. I could feel the belt slipping. I felt like I had to over accelerate to get the bike to go how I wanted it to move. And of course, things like that happen over time, blah, 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 blah. It just felt like something was off. Felt like I did not have the power that I should have had. So now, fast forward, new belt on, Dynojet belt. And let me tell you, it's like a night and day difference. I have all the power that I expect to have. And it's all right there. I mean, every time I hit the gas, especially in sport mode, I mean, it wanted to throw me back even further than it already had, which is a crazy feeling. A really good feeling. So I got a chance to ride it out of sport mode, and I rode it in sport mode. I was laughing because I just had it out of sport mode, turned the bike on, hit the gas, and boom, it felt like I was in sport mode. I said, God, dog. So it's amazing how much your belt wears out over time and how much of a difference it makes. And so, of course, when I put it in sport mode, it just wanted to throw me off the bike, so I had to hold on. So, it was a pretty simple install, and the results are awesome. So when it's time to change your belt, I do recommend that Dynojet belt. It's a good belt. I'm sure the OEM belt is good as well. But I feel like because I went with this Dynojet belt and the experiences that I've got, plus all the things that I'm doing with the tune and all of that stuff, it just kind of made sense to kind of go that aftermarket route. So you guys stay tuned. More to come. Ryker fam, you already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and we out.